A discrete random variable x has probability distribution shown in the table below. Okay, so the outcome of x when it's 6, 7, 8, and 9, the respective corresponding probabilities are given. Okay, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4. Now find the probability when x equals to 8 and b the expected value of x, c the variance of x, and expected value of e given 5 minus 2x, and also variance for given 5 minus 2x. Okay, before we do, okay, whenever you have a probability distribution, okay, it's better off if we draw a table and find out all the values separately. Okay, I'm going to draw a table and find out, because to find out variance we need these values and also for the expected value. So what do we have here? X, and then you have the probability P, and then P times X, and P X squared. Okay, first value 6, second value 7, 8, and 9. That's 0.1, the probability is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4. Okay, P times X, so which is 6 times by 0.1, it is 0.6, 0.2 times 0.7, which is 1.4, 2.4, and 3.6. Next, probability times by square of x value, so which is 36 times 0.1, okay, 49 times 0.2, 64 times by 0.3, and 81 times 0.4, and that's 3.6, 9.8, 13.2, no, it's 19.2, and 32.4. Okay, once I have all this value in a table, then I can do all the questions. Okay, but from part A to part E, not a problem. But part A is kind of easy, because what's the probability of when x equals to 8? So you can see x equals to 8 is just 0.3. Okay, quite simple. Okay, that's for A. And for B, the expected value, it's basically the summation or the total of P times by X. Okay, the probability times by the outcome for each. So expected value of X, it's 0.1 times by 6 plus 0.2 times by 7 plus 0.3 times by 8 plus 0.4 times by 9, and all this equal to 8. Okay, next the expected value. Okay, it's B. The formula for expected value, E, sorry, not the expected variance, we did the expected value. Okay, C is variance, sorry. The variance is variance of X given as E X squared minus E, the expected value, and square that. Okay, what is Ex square? This is the summation of probability times by x square minus the expected value which we already got earlier. Okay, let's look at that. So the summation of Px square, okay, I think I didn't write it over here. Okay, summation of that. So basically you gotta add 3.6, 9.8, 19.2 and 32.4. So from here the summation of P x square equals to 65. Oops. Okay, 65. So now all you have to do, sub those value. So this is 65 minus the expected value of x, which we already have, 8. So sub that value, 8 square. So 64 minus 8 square, which is 65 minus 64, and your answer is 1. Okay, the expected value given 5 minus 2x. Okay, suppose the property, some of the property expected value is, one of it is E ax plus b. This is same as a times by the expected value plus b. Okay, there's a proof behind this. Okay, I'll explain this in the next video or another video, but otherwise just understand this part. Okay, whenever you have expected value in form of ax plus b, then that means a times by the expected value plus b separately. So we already have. What I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this in the form of e5 minus 2x in this form, eax plus b. So if I rewrite, so I will get negative 2x plus 5. So from here we know that it is negative 2 multiplied by the expected value and then plus 5. So what is our expected value, which is 8. Okay, we already have that, and then add this by 5 and you get negative 16 plus 5. So your answer is minus 11. The next property of variance is given as if x plus c. This is the same as variance of x only. C, we can discard c, okay, or c disappears. Okay, so based on that, okay, so that's one property, and the other property is variance of, let's say, a constant c multiplied by x. Okay, constant c multiplied by x, then you get it as the result is c square multiplied by the variance of x. Okay, again, okay, c square times the variance of x. So in this question we have variance negative 2 x plus 5. Okay, I've changed it from 5 minus 2x as negative 2x plus 5. So you can see that, okay, it's a combination of the first one and the second one. Okay, the first one and second one. If I have x plus c, I discard c. Okay, so the constant c disappears, and if I have cx, you just square the constant, okay, times by the variance. So over here we discussed our 5. So what leaves here is, what's left here is negative 2 square times by the variance of x. So this is 4 times by the variance of x, which is 1. So your answer is positive 4. Thank you.